100 plus highest paid Google AdSense high CPC keywords 2023. High CPC keywords from Google AdSense to increase blog revenue. To increase your Google AdSense earnings, you have to search for best high CPC keywords. High CPC keywords 2023 from Google AdSense. To increase your Google AdSense earnings, you must search for best high CPC keywords 2023. That's why we have found plus 100 high CPC keywords for you. Below we have explained in full detail how to find high CPC keywords, so you read the whole article properly and know how to work. High CPC keywords. The complete information on high CPC keywords is given below. We have mentioned the high CPC keywords 2023 list below. So look carefully at all these keywords and write an article on that particular keyword. The particular keyword should be of high cost per click. The keywords we have listed below are all high CPC keywords if you at least get a good amount of them in the country. So keep all these high CPC keywords in mind. High CPC keywords list 2023. Hello friends, how are you guys? My name is Aisha and I am a web designer. There are many ways to earn money online, but you cannot do much more through Google AdSense. For this, you need high CPC keywords. Question number 1. What are high paying keywords? Answer. Keywords with a high CPC keywords 2023 are those for which adverts bid the highest. Question 2. What is the highest CPC in India? A. ANS. In India, the highest AdSense CPC is $1 to $5 in some of the highest paying for blogs, websites, for example, mortgage, insurance, digital marketing, lifestyle, and more high CPC keywords. What are the CPC paying blog needs? Some of highest paying needs are make money online, social media marketing, finance, and and investing and educational videos. Conclusion. In order to maximize your revenue from AdSense, you have to find the right keywords for your contact. These key phrases are going to be used in your ad text and throughout your content, so it's important that you get them right. Using the list of high CPC keywords in this article should help you do just that. You can check out the full list of AdSense high CPC keywords in this article. We hope these will help you increase your earnings with Google AdSense. What are the high CPC keywords? The high CPC keywords means the keyword that pays the most amount. If a person comes to your website and now the website is ranked on particular high CPC keywords and if someone comes to your website and click on that ad, that then you get an income of a minimum $1 or $0.50. There is no limit to this. Can go from $1 to even $50. The topic on which you have written, the article should have high CPC keyword implementation in this article, and your post should be worldwide rank. If your post is ranked in US, United Kingdom, for foreign country, then you will earn from $1 to $50 with one click. Keywords related topics, high CPC keywords, PDF, make money online, easy method, high CPC keywords by countries, 40 plus $100 CPC keywords, Free Fire, partner program, Windows 10 free activator, activator key. We told about the high CPC keyword in this article, so we hope that you people have understood. If all of you friends who have come to read this article, all the people should write a post on their website on the high CPC keywords for your website. If your website gets ranked, then you will generate very good income from multiple posts, that too for a lifetime. High CPC keywords for YouTube, highest CPC keywords, high CPC keywords for blog. I am providing you the list of high CPC keywords, high CPC countries, and high CPC needs. So you have discovered a bunch of keywords. You have got this huge list of all these words and phrases that apply to you and your business and your services. And there's another step that you need to take, and it's called keywords research, and it's a little bit different. So today we will talk about this. Keywords reach is research is all about evaluating all the keywords you have discovered and determining which ones are most valuable to your CEO efforts. And there are plenty of online tools available, both free and paid, that you can use, that